Hi, my name is Juan Segundo Ensastiga. This is my English homework, AI2 vocabulary research. The subjects that I choose, depending on the category, for singular and plural. First, the classroom objects are, in singular, seat, blackboard, eraser, desk, blackboard, gray. In plural, seats, blackboard, erasers, desks, blackboards, grays. For family members, in singular, uncle, cousin, grandfather, grandmother, aunt, nephew. In plural, uncles, cousins, grandparents, aunts, nephews. In professions, singular, architect, food science engineer, medic, biologist, physicist. In plural, architects, food science engineer, doctors, biologists, physicists. Arm. For parts of the body, arm in singular, neck, head, foot. In plural, arms, necks, heads, feet. For pets, animals, in singular, cat, dog, bird, snake, mouse. In plural, cats, dogs, birds, snakes, mice. For places and things at home, kitchen in singular, living room, bedroom, attic, bathroom. In plural, kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, attic, bathrooms. For household objects, broom in plural, mop, bucket, brush, dustpan. In plural, the last was in singular, now in plural, brooms, mops, buckets, brushes, dustpans. In toys category, I choose in singular, car, ball, action figure, doll, teddy bear. In plural, cars, balls, action figures, dolls, teddy bears. In clothes category, t-shirt, in singular, skirt, scarf, cap, suit. In plural, t-shirts, skirts, scarf, caps, suits. Fruit or vegetables. In plural, in singular, grape, watermelon, onion, garlic, lemon. In plural, grapes, watermelons, onions, garlic, lemons. That's all.